Can Pepe break out? Okay, we're going to talk about some metrics that kind of caught my eye this morning. We're going to get into the conversation right now. As Pepe is on the move, Ethereum is moving, and crypto looks to be rebounding after we saw Jerome Powell speak on Monday, as well as kind of the red days that we had over the weekend, and leading us up to a new week, a new month, as the summer months have been sluggish for crypto generally overall. But as it relates to Pepe, I want to break this all down for you guys in this video. So welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join us. We're going to be talking kind of what's going on right now as we look into Pepe, because right now we have seen a lot of the open interest surging. And I know you guys watch these videos every day. You talk about kind of crypto with your friends, colleagues, whatever you want to call it. And it's tough. Okay. It's tough being a crypto trader right now. We're so reactionary to what kind of the more broader headlines are, where if Donald Trump tweets, if we get some kind of economic move, if something happens within legislature, the markets can head in one direction or another. It's just very fickle right now, and it's tough to trade, but it is easy if you are using a lot of these tools and resources to your availability. And I think that within this volatility, that's what we crave. Okay, so if you are a prominent crypto trader, you should welcome volatility with open arms, and that's definitely something that Pepe does deliver. Okay, so let's get down into it, guys. Welcome back. Like I say, we talk crypto every single day. If you're not subscribed on the channel, make sure you all do so. Links are down below to get involved, and we are going to get into the overall market. We'll look at coin market cap, talk about kind of what's happening as Pepe is up roughly about 8% on the day. We look at the frog, and you can see him standing right here. Okay, 26 in market cap, up 8.1%. So we are trading now at 401269 from a low point of the 40117, where a lot of people were thinking that we were going to kind of settle in under and reclaim that fifth zero. Not the case. And if you do watch my videos, you watch my stuff, I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto, but just judging by the way that the market trends are and the way that the chart looked, this was an incredible discount for Pepe. As you can see, kind of that bottom floor right there around the 507 mark. And anything where we do have that fifth zero for me and what I'm doing financially within my crypto trades, that's where I'm betting on Pepe because the Matt Fury narratives are very strong. I think that, you know, as recent as what we've seen, there has been kind of a lot of steam coming out of a lot of meme coins and interrelated to what the whole Matt Fury narrative does bring to the table. And that's kind of why I just love it. Okay. I've made a ton of money trading off the Matt Fury narrative. Pepe, I like, and that's kind of why I welcome this volatility, because it does provide us with a lot of ways to capitalize off of the community sentiment, as well as kind of what we're seeing elsewhere in the market. I do want to kind of talk about kind of what we're seeing here with another crypto that is currently on the move, and this is Zeus. Okay, this was a meme coin that I did buy in around $20 million market cap. So this is a pretty healthy chart as far as charts go, and now sitting at a sub $56 million market cap. Pressing upon all-time highs, up 28% on the day. If you guys do dabble into kind of the Matt Fury narrative, give Zeus a look. Not financial advice. Obviously, meme coins are highly risky, highly volatile, but over 12,000 holders. It's worth a look if you do want to kind of dabble into the Matt Fury narratives. Zeus is Pepe's dog. It seems like there's a new one that comes out each and every day, but there has not really been a good storyline on ETH, and I think that that's something where if you want to look at kind of for somewhere a little bit more volatile, a little bit more movement in terms of the price action, give Zeus a look on ETH, and you can find it. Make sure it's the right contract. But trending to on DEX tools, it has been fairly stable in terms of that ascension. A little bit of a dip, but from there, guys, and what we've seen today, there's a lot of big people getting into the fold as it relates to Zeus. So check them out if you do dabble into the memes. Okay, but back into it, guys. I also want to kind of spotlight what we're doing here on BTCC. There is a 10% sign-up bonus. If you are a spot or leverage trader, check out my link down below. Start trading today. You do get a 10% bonus on your first-time deposit, 40% lower trading fees, up to 500x leverage, no VPN KYC necessary, up to 500x leverage in 300 plus crypto futures. And that's, you know, something where you have to kind of disclose this is a very, very risky sport. short. Okay, if you are a leverage trader, you know what I'm talking about. If you've watched anything with James Wynn, it's just not something you pick up. You got to know what you're doing. So make sure it's right for you and your financial journey. But spot and leverage trading available on BTCC. If you want to start trading over there, links are down below in the description. Okay. But back in kind of what we came here to talk about, this is where we look at the open interest surging 6% to $537 million. Okay. A lot of EMAs hinting at a golden cross with rising derivatives inflows. A breakout towards the 4015 is possible. Now, if you did buy and you timed up that bottom at the 4011, that does leave a lot of room for a swing trade. But for Pepe, I think that if we do catch a little bit of a steam here, a little tailwind, I don't think that the 1.5 is going to be where we would stop. I think we would go above that. But that is something where it has been a psychological level over the course of trading. And that's where we've seen Pepe almost up 10% on the day, reclaiming that 50% Fibonacci level. It's worth talking about. It is noteworthy. So that's why I'm making this video. Okay. But a lot of the bullish signals that we do see, right, the formation of a golden cross between the 50 and 200-day EMAs, the rising 100 and 200-day EMAs, hinting at a potential bullish crossover. Those are things that we all like to see, but despite that, we are still sitting at a 51 within the RSI. That does show a downtrend if we do kind of look at how it's hovering near the midline, and that's kind of where the optimism is building, though, despite the RSI within the Pepe derivatives. Now, over the last 24 hours, up 6.47% to 537.96 million exactly. The open interest weighted funding rate has also turned positive, which is a bullish metric at the 0.0095% mark. And you can see it right here from this graph that I have on your guys' screen, how that has all kind of shifted into the green, where when you do see that green in the OI weighted, that means that people are basically betting big, and there's more longs and shorts out there within that funding rate. So please keep that in mind. It's rising, and that's something where we see a lot of growing bullish optimism between the spike and short liquidations. So the bears are being squeezed out. That's what that means. Okay. Liquidations totaling 2.33 million and longs liquidated at 719,000, which is good to see. But there are a lot more longs than shorts with Pepe. So please keep that in mind. All right. And that's kind of where we're at. Those are the numbers on the day. The bullish open interest continues to remain. And that's where if you are a leverage trader, you are a futures trader, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So also that's kind of segueing back into BTCC. Start trading over there if you guys want to, and we'll leave you guys with that. Let me know your thoughts and comments. Do you think Pepe will get back over 4015? I want to know down below in the comments. And remember to subscribe on your way out. If you're following along on X, make sure you do so as well. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.